Foundation makeup. Tips for a flawless base. Foundation is the cornerstone of any makeup look, providing the perfect canvas for the rest of your products. However, achieving a flawless base requires more than slapping on some product. It's about preparation, technique, and the right tools. Here's your ultimate guide to foundation makeup, with tips to help you achieve a smooth, even, and long-lasting base. 1. Prep your skin. A great foundation starts with excellent skin preparation. Follow these steps to ensure your skin is ready. 1. Cleanse. Wash your face to remove dirt, oil, and makeup residue. 2. Exfoliate. Gently exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells that make the foundation look patchy. 3. Moisturize. Hydrate your skin to create a smooth surface and prevent the foundation from clinging to dry patches. 4. Prime. Choose a primer tailored to your skin's needs, mattifying for oily skin, hydrating for dry skin, or color-correcting for redness. 2. Choose the right foundation. Selecting the perfect foundation for your skin type and tone is crucial. 1. Formula. Oily skin. Opt for matte or oil-free foundations. Dry skin. Choose hydrating or dewy formulas. Combination skin. Use a balanced formula or mix products for specific areas. 2. Coverage. Light coverage for a natural look. Medium coverage for everyday wear. And complete coverage for special occasions or problem areas. 3. Shade matching. Test the shade on your jawline or neck in natural light. 3. The right shade should seamlessly blend into your skin tone. 3. Application tools. Different tools offer different finishes. 1. Brushes. Provide a polished, airbrushed look. 1. Use a flat or kabuki brush for full coverage. 2. Sponges. A damp beauty sponge is ideal for a dewy, skin-like finish. 3. Fingers. Best for blending lightweight or cream foundations for a natural look. 4. Apply strategically. When applying foundation, less is more. Here's how to do it. 1. Dot foundation on critical areas. Forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. 2. Start blending from the center of your face outward. 3. Build up coverage gradually to avoid a cakey finish. 5. Blend for perfection. Blending is the key to a flawless base. Use circular or stippling motions with your brush or bounce a sponge across your skin. Pay extra attention to blending around the hairline, jawline, and ears to avoid noticeable lines. 6. Address problem areas for uneven skin tone, blemishes, or redness. 1. Apply a color corrector before the foundation, e.g. green for redness, peach for dark circles. 2. Use a concealer after foundation to target problem spots without overlayering. 7. Set for longevity to make your foundation last all day. 1. Dust a translucent setting powder over oily areas, like the T-zone. 2. Use a setting spray to lock everything in place while adding a natural finish. 8. Avoid common mistakes. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. 1. Over-application. Too much product can make your makeup look heavy and unnatural. 2. Wrong undertone. Identify your undertone, cool, warm, or neutral, to find a matching foundation shade. 3. Skipping SPF. Use a sunscreen or a foundation with SPF to protect your skin. Conclusion: foundation makeup is an art that combines preparation, technique, and personalization. Following these tips will create a flawless base that enhances your natural beauty and provides the perfect backdrop for the rest of your makeup.